So the question says that famine is a social phenomena, okay, rooted in political, economic arrangements which determine the access to food by different classes. So it is talking about the class divide, ठीक है. So this is simply talking about the class divide, okay. And when it is talking about the class divide, you have to understand that we are talking about some of the thing which is not natural, okay. The reason is not natural, okay. The belief is in this question is simply that the reason is not natural, ठीक है. It is entangled in the social, political, economic, okay. So this question wants you to address that a situation where famine has to be looked from the perspective of social, political, and economic perspective, okay. So all such things leads to famines that you have to sow, ठीक है. This is the real demand of question that you have to address. And whatever I have discussed with you, okay, you can talk about all of that. You have to talk about all of that. If we talk about the introduction, if you look at this question, okay, in introduction, you have to talk about the things that we have discussed in the lectures, okay. Yeah, Aditya, you can talk about Michael Watt, okay, but we'll start with something that is more evident, okay. Probably you can talk about something that is more evident, okay, and have been seen more recently. So in introduction you can give that a lot of people have spoken about this thing, okay. आप उन सब सारी चीजों के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं जो अभी न्यूज में है. इनफैक्ट सिंस 1.5 million people died, okay, in African countries, 20 million people are almost vulnerable, okay. And then you can start with writing some of the points. So in first point you can talk about the FuseNet report, okay, the observation by FuseNet. More recent लिखेंगे, अभी कहेंगे something that happened in 1980 वो नहीं लिखेंगे. You have to talk about something which came in 2021, 2022, अगर 22 में देने वाले, okay. So you need to talk about the famines are not natural phenomena, they are catastrophic political failures, okay. FuseNet believes that these are political failures, ठीक है. All this you have to talk about, and to prove this point, okay, to prove this point you will represent those areas that while discussing I have shown, ठीक है. तो you have to give the contemporary examples. You will draw over map those places, okay. So you can talk about Venezuela, okay. You can talk about the Saharan and sub-Saharan areas, okay. You have to represent that. You can talk about the area around Yemen, and you can also talk about the situations that are prevailing in Afghanistan. Okay, all these are examples of what? All these are classic examples which shows that this is a political failure. Okay. Now you have to address the political, economic, social aspects. So you will start with the FuseNet report, plus you'll talk about the things that famine early warning system network has given. ये रिपोर्ट हमने कहां का देखा था? famine early warning system network. Okay, so it is always a prudent idea to put the source very clearly कि from where this thing is taken. ठीक है, कहां से लिया गया है ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है. ऑलवेज मेंशन दैट थिंग, द सोर्स. ओके, इफ यू कैन रिमेंबर. ठीक है, इसके चक्कर में जान नहीं देंगे कि याद ही हो जाए, बट या ट्राई टू मेक श्योर दैट यू पुट सम ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. ओके, द अदर पॉइंट दैट यू हैव टू टॉक अबाउट मे बी फ्रॉम द economic perspective if you want, or from the political economic perspective, then you can make a mention of maybe Marx or Amartya Sen, but I'll prefer Marx as my second point, and the reason is very simple. The reason is quite simple because Marx was someone who always talked about the problems that are created by the class struggle. He is very popular as a in the discipline of geography as well. Marxist geographers ने बहुत सारा contribute किया है. So you need to talk about the richer class and the poor class and the problem. ठीक है, rich exploiting poor, and which in turn reduces the capability of the poor to cope with reduced capacity to cope with the reduced capacity to cope with sudden changes, okay, or catastrophic events. So you have to present the perspective of Marxist geographers. Then you can talk about the Amartya Sen. ठीक है, of course you can talk about Amartya Sen, poverty and famines. You can talk about the perspective of Amartya Sen, poverty and famines. And why now I am choosing this? Okay, because one political, this is the relationship is based on empowerment. Okay, and empowerment, Marx was always about economic power leads to political. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों पर्सपेक्टिव आपने दिखाया है. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अमर्त्य सेन, देन you can show the perspective. Okay, poverty and famines, उन्होंने क्या बोला है, what the Amartya Sen has said. Okay, he talked about the paradox of famines. Okay, the paradox of famines, you can talk about the paradox of famines. Okay, then beyond this it is your choice. Okay, if you want to talk about maybe Wallerstein, or if you want to talk about maybe Michael Watt, ठीक है, that is also absolutely fine. But here in this question, all the points that you are giving, you have to continue giving based on social, political and economic. Okay, you have to talk about the social, political and economic theories that you know, that I have taught. जो भी मैंने बताया उसको यूज करेंगे. एंड एट लास्ट, ओके, while you are concluding, you'll tell that yeah, all these, the famine is because of all these factors. Okay, the famine is because of all the factors that we have seen. Okay, but the nature also pushes this thing, and then you'll talk about Malthus. ठीक है, you'll draw the diagram मालदस को आखिरी में लिखेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज not the expectation of the question that people are going to talk about the natural thing. Malthus will be placed last. The reason being that Malthus only blamed the nature for this thing. Okay, he talked about the positive checks. So maybe he'll say that as suggested by Malthus, yeah, nature pushes this thing further, and we have droughts, we have extreme rainfall events, we have civil wars and everything which can lead to this situation. Okay, but it cannot be denied that if political, economic and social conditions are better, then there will be no classes and there will be no famines. Okay, so you can easily conclude like that. आप बहुत ही आसानी से ऐसे conclude कर सकते हैं. Okay, yeah, of course you can include limits to growth as well, Aditya. You can talk about the limits of growth as well. Okay, if you get an opportunity you can introduce limits to growth. आप उसके बारे में बिल्कुल बात कर सकते हैं. Okay, so make sure that all of you are focusing on these aspects, because the arrangement of the things that you are writing, ठीक है, that is really really important. आप जो लिख रहे हैं, okay, that is important. You have to understand that it is an important aspect, the arrangement as well. ऐसा नहीं है कुछ भी आता है सब कुछ लिख दिया और मार्क्स मिलेंगे. Okay, the sequence in which you go about the things is going to matter a lot. अगर आप कहें कि if you are writing at the very first point as Malthus, okay, you are talking about Malthus, and the question is talking about the social phenomena, political phenomena, then examiner will be least interested in giving you good marks, because you have included the right point. But does the question ask about that? The question clearly says that you have to talk about the political, economic and social factors which ultimately create a class divide in the society. The arrangement is of a loser and the winner in the society that deteriorates the loser's position to an extent that they fail to fight some of the disasters like famines. Okay, तो इन सब चीजों पे थोड़ा फोकस कीजिए और इजीली आप लिख सकते हैं. Okay, and in case you have any other question you can ask, आप पूछ सकते हैं. So I'll be definitely looking at other question now.